7 habits that will make you financially independent. Hello guys, welcome to another brand new video. In this video, I am going to tell you 7 habits by following which you can become financially independent. Imagine a version of yourself in which you can do any investment, everything, any investment. Go to any restaurant and do everything that you want without limitation of money, and this work can be only done by financially independent people. Research has found that 45% of adults in the world are financially independent. This indicates that becoming financially independent is not a very difficult task. Just by following the right techniques, you can become financially independent. To achieve financial freedom, you will need the right mindset, knowledge, and discipline. So now let's talk about the habits that can help you to achieve financial freedom. So let's start with our first habit. Which is to have clear goals. Set clear goals. So first of all, number 1, set clear goals. You have to know about you will achieve financial freedom. So first of all, you have to know about how you will achieve financial freedom. To do this, you have to run a side hustle and do business along with your job. You must have seen many financial independent people in which most of them do business. So, starting a business is very good way to become financially independent. And another way to set a goal is to make a plan that how much money you should have in your bank after 4 or 5 years. To achieve financial freedom. You will find ways how much you have to save in a month, how much you have to save in a day, and how much money you have to save in a year to achieve your saving goals. Number 2, create a budget. In this habit, you have to set your budget goal. How much are your monthly expenses and where is your money being spent? Due to which you can identify where unnecessary expenses are being made, and you will be able to save that money and achieve your goal more quickly. If you manage your monthly expenses, then you will be able to achieve the goal that you had set for 5 years, that after 5 years you will have that amount of money. Number 3, reduce debt. You should start working on reducing your debt right now. You have to stop taking personal loans because you have been defaulting on loans as your life, and you will not able to become financially independent. So first, pay off all the loans you have taken and avoid taking further loans. Your income is a very powerful tool to become financially independent. If all your income is spent on your loan, then you will not able to achieve the goal. You will be able to manage your expenses. That money will also be spent on the loan. So kick the loan out of your life. By not taking a loan, you can save the money and achieve your dream of financial freedom. Save and then invest. Number 4, save and then invest. So first of all, you have to save the money for the security of your future. Start saving money from today on a regular basis so that your expenses of 3 to 6 months are covered, because maybe in the future you lost your job, you may become jobless, and if you save money from today, then you can meet your monthly expenses yourself even without a job for the next 3 to 6 months in the future. You will not be worried about the future. And when you will save a good amount of money, then you can invest the remaining money and increase your income so that you can achieve your financial freedom. In 5 years, you can also invest the remaining money on the business and generate multiple types of income. Start saving your monthly income today by following the 50, 30 and 20% rule. So in this rule, You have to spend 50% of your income on your needs, 30%, 30% on your wants, and save 20% every month. It depends on you how much you percentage you can save from, how much percentage you can save from your income monthly, and if you take my opinion, then at least 20% every month of your income if you want to save more money. And if you want to save more money at the end of the month, then use coupon codes while shopping. 93% of the billionaires use coupon codes while shopping so that they can save some more money. 5. Number 5. Increase your income ways. If your monthly income is only able to cover your monthly expenses and you are not able to save money, then you have to find other sources of income. So if you want to become financial independent, then apart from your job, you have to create multiple ways of income, like you can do a side hustle or you can run a side business apart, so that you will cover your monthly expenses from the income of your job and you can save the money that comes from your side hustle or side business, so that you can achieve the goal you had set for 5 years, that I will save that amount of money after 5 years. Instead of expanding your income stream, you can definitely earn more income with the help of your career. Whatever work you are doing now, make yourself more skilled in it, due to which you will get more salary in you. So once you find a job that is paying more than your current job, then you can leave your current job and start a high paying job so that you can achieve your financial freedom quickly. So you can achieve your financial independence dream. Number 6. Live below your means. This means that you have to live your life with less than you earn. This means that you have to live your life with less than you earn. In this habit, you have to set a monthly budget in which you have to spend your entire month on this budget and do not spend excessively so that you can save the remaining money. You have to be self-disciplined in this matter so that you can achieve financial freedom in the future easily as your income increases. Instead of spending more, you should learn to save the money so that you can achieve your 5-year set goal. Look, I am not telling you that it's not good to buy some stuff. Buying some necessary stuff is okay, but first of all, you have to achieve financial freedom. Then you can fulfill your wants a little bit. But right now, you just have to focus on your needs. Number 7. Make your health a priority. Look, we all know that eating well and exercising is very important for our health, but I want to tell you one more thing. Exercising is also good for our bank account. So now you will ask how, and the answer is that whenever you remain healthy, you wouldn't get too sick and you will not have to face more doctors and medical bills, which can be very beneficial for both of your health and bank account. If you take care of your physical and mental health, you will not only save your health but can also save your bank account. A study has shown that in America, people eat healthy and exercise have seen less diabetes, cancer, and other diseases, due to which $88.2 billion have been saved. So pay full attention to your diet and exercise. You will remain healthy in future and become financially independent. Conclusion: to achieve financial freedom, you have learned the right techniques and habits. All you have to do is follow them. All you have to do is to follow them. Now, as I told earlier, 45% of adults have become financially independent, so this is not rocket science. You just have to follow the right habits, become financially independent. So financially independent, you have to set clear goals. No budgeting, do budgeting. You have to set clear goals, do budgeting, reduce debts, save and invest, stay below your means, and in the end, stay in healthy shape. So I hope you have learned something from this video, and I hope you will follow these habits daily. See you in the next one. Till then, goodbye.